Good morning, student. In last chapter, we study about the matter in our surrounding, definition of matter, characteristic of particles of matter, different types of states of matter, solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and Bose-Einstein condensed state. Thereafter, we studied properties of solid, liquid, and gas. Now, moving forward, we study about the interchange in the state of matter. Matter can change its state. It means solid changes into liquid or liquid changes into vapor. From this, we can say that water can exist in three states: solid as ice, liquid as water, and gas as water vapor. Student, you know that ice is the solid form of water and water vapor is the gas form of water. You well know about the water. The chemical formula of water is H2O. Now, sublimation. The changing of solid directly into the vapor on heating and vapor into solid on cooling. That process is known as sublimation. Students, sublimation is a process in which solid can directly change into vapor. When you heat the solid, it changes into vapor, or vapor into solid when you are cooling the substance. Example, you know about the camphor, ammonium chloride. Camphor means kapoor. When you heat the kapoor or camphor, it directly changes into the gas. That process is known as sublimation. Now, effect of change in the temperature. How temperature be changes the states of matter. When we increase the temperature of solid, the kinetic energy of the particles increases, overcomes the force of the attraction between the particles, thereby solid melts and convert into the liquid. Student, when we increase the temperature of the solid, what will happen? The kinetic energy of the particles from which they are bounded to each other are increases and solid melts. Temperature at which solid melts and become liquid at the atmospheric pressure is called melting point. The melting point of ice is 273.16 Kelvin. This is the temperature in Kelvin. The process of melting, that is change of solid into the liquid state, is known as fusion. Thank you, students.